is if you have any hearing, this is not true of a resolution management conference, which is basically a non-evidentiary scheduling hearing, but any hearing other than that, that's an evidentiary hearing, that whether it be on an order of protection or on the case, on temporary orders, you need a lawyer to represent you, or you will not do well typically, okay? You have no experience in the courtroom, marshaling evidence, you have extremely limited time, and you need the representation to do that. And if you get a good certified document preparer, they will tell you when you need a lawyer to represent you. And we can do what's called a limited appearance. You have a temporary orders hearing. You want to hire modern law and an attorney here to only handle that hearing and then withdraw and go back to representing yourself, or through a certified document preparer. We can do that for a set price.
That's what you're saying is amazing, because that means somebody can they can be pretty much self-represented and save money by doing a lot of the stuff themselves. But then you, who have all this trial experience, can actually be plugged in to help them through a spot where maybe they have to go to court.
Yep, and the caution is that people that prepare their own documents often put things in there that they don't have to. And so when they eventually get a certified document preparer or a lawyer, you have to either try and work around that, or those claims are now gone. If you go through an order of protection hearing, it's very common that people get those, they think, I can handle this, it is nothing, and then they go to a hearing by themselves and they lose. You are stuck with that for 1 year. Wow. And it may be that you can't see your kids. It may be that you can't go near your wife, talk to her, and those kind of things are critical, and you need a lawyer.
So that's really, it's high stakes then, what you're talking about.
It is very, very high stakes.